Hello everyone, my name is Fei, and this is my final project, and the app name is Earthquake Kit. So many functions have the kit list. You can you can have the list of the item like food, water, medicine. You can prepare for the earthquake, and also have the local map. So this is my main UI for the main activity. So when I rotate the screen, it shows the icon on the left and the button on the right side. And let me select the list. So this is the recycle view. I listed all the items. So and let me add one more. So I click this, for example, the first aid. So I should change first aid and the purchase date and the expire date. And this is for the note. Okay, so I add one more. So if you want to add it, you click the detail button. You can change the purchase date and save it. Okay. So and I also have the if you swipe from the right to left, I have the delete icon, and on the bottom you can delete the button and click here, and the item will be deleted. And let me introduce the second function. It's local map. So I show the Google map, and they have list all the school close to where you live or the hospital. So you know, in the earthquake, the hospitals and the school provided like shuttle. You can go to the school, either school or hospital, for some help. So you can save the also you can save the map in case you don't have the internet network. So if I click a screenshot, so you can send this picture to someone else or to yourself by email or by the message. I just sent to myself. Local school map and just send. Yeah, and also I run rotation. The checkbox status will be saved. And when I rotate back, so the hospital checkbox then be checked is unchecked, and go to the main UI, main activity. So I have the about button. So basically I add the compass and have the app information. Yeah, this is all for my final project. Thank you for watching.